Hey guys, if you're trying to add music to your Instagram post on PC in 2025, you've probably noticed there's no direct add music button like on mobile. But don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using Insist, a free Chrome extension that lets you post to Instagram just like you would on your phone. First, go to Chrome Web Store and install Insist. Once it's added, open Instagram through the extension. It looks exactly like the mobile app. Now, when you upload your photo or video, you'll see the add music option before posting. From there, just search for your song, pick the part you like, and post it directly from your computer. And that's it. With Insist, you can finally add music to your Instagram post straight from your PC. No phone needed. Super quick, super simple. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and follow for more easy social media tips. Thanks for watching.